Hi guys, welcome to Sabonzi Academy. In today's video, we'll be solving the question 5 of the 2020 June core maths theory questions. So question 5. The table above shows 3 classes, JHS1, JHS2, and JHS3 in a school. And JHS3 in a school. The 3 classes were combined to select a prefect. What is the probability that a prefect will be a boy, B, a girl in JHS2? So let's begin with our solution. So let's draw our table, but this time include totals. So we have our class, we have JHS1, JHS2, JHS3, and our total, which is T. So let's represent our total with red ink. So our total is T. And we have boys and girls. And we have total here too. So for JHS1, we have 32 boys and 28 girls. So 32 and 28. For JHS2, we have 26 boys and 44 girls. So 26 and 44. For JHS3, we have 22 boys and 36 girls. So 26 and 36. So we can say that the total number of boys in the school will be 32 plus 26 plus 26. So that will give us 84. And we can say that the total number of girls in the school will be 28 plus 44 plus 36. And that will give us 108. Now we can say that the total number of students in JHS1 is 60. The total number of students in JHS2 is 70. And the total number of students in JHS3 is 62. Now this plus this plus this, or this plus this, should give us 192. So this would be the total number of students in the school. I've been asked to find the probability that the prefect will be a boy. So this is equal to the probability of selecting a boy will be equal to the total number of boys in the school, which is 84, over the total number of students in the school, which is 192. So this will be 84 over 192. Now this is the same as 7 over 16, or 0.438. Now I've been asked to find the probability of selecting a prefect who will be a girl and in JHS2. Okay, so B is find the probability that the prefect will be a girl in JHS2. So when we look at girls, we have 44 girls in JHS2. So our probability will be the number of girls in JHS2 over the total number of students, which is 192. So P of selecting a girl in JHS2 is equal to 44 divided by 192. Now this is the same as 11 over 48, or 0.229. Okay, so this brings us to the end of question 5. Now don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have questions, don't forget to leave them in the comment section as well. Now in our next video, we'll be solving the question 6 of the 2020 June core maths theory questions.